Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to add product departments on Keepsales. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, to be able to add departments, on Keepsales. Now departments helps you to, sort of like compartmentalize your shop. Okay, you're able to have like different categories, of items that you sell in your shop. All right. So to do that, you click on the main menu, click on stock, and then you scroll down a bit, you see product department. You click on product department, okay, and once you do that, it brings you here. Okay, if you've never created product department before, usually you see only one thing, general. Okay, but to add more, okay, you come to this right section. Okay, you see add new department name. You click on it. Let's say you want to create department for, let's say, toys. All right, you type in toys and then you click to add department. It tells you that new department has been added, and then you refresh the list. Okay, so you can keep adding as many departments as you want. Okay, now again, if you want to make changes to the name, let's say the name alpha here, I want to make it maybe just ALF, all right? Maybe take the A out, or let's just say ALP. Okay, once you do that, you click inside, you make that changes, then you click on choose, and then you click to update the name. Okay, so once you've done that, now you can also, the second thing you can also do, okay, so it's refreshed, you see the ALF over there. If you don't update the name, it won't automatically update itself, all right? Okay, so the second thing you can also do over here is to disable a department. Okay, so now once it's disabled, okay, now you can't use that particular department any longer. Okay, so this is all for how to add product departments, okay, on Keepsales. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you again in our next video. We have more of these amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out on our YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, okay, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time, and bye bye.